Best vintage cars of all time. If you're a car enthusiast, chances are that you have an affinity for vehicles with vintage charm. Whether it's your dream to one day restore such a vehicle or just admire them from afar, there is something undeniably nostalgic and unique about classic cars. What follows is our list of the top 10 best vintage cars of all time. Perfect candidates for restoration projects and deserving of recognition in their own right. Be sure to read on to see which iconic models made the cut. The 1963 Volkswagen Beetle, for its timeless design and affordability. The 1963 Volkswagen Beetle remains an iconic car today for a reason: its timeless design and affordability. Designed in Germany in the 1930s with a simple aesthetic and easy-to-repair mechanics, the Beetle quickly became popular worldwide. The 1963 model year included upgrades such as a larger engine and improvements to the suspension and brakes. Despite these enhancements, the car remained affordable for many consumers, which helped it become a symbol of the counterculture movement in the 1960s. Today, the classic Beetle is a beloved collector's item, cherished for its unique appearance and place in history. The 1967 Ford Mustang, for its classic style and performance. When it comes to classic cars, few models are as iconic as the 1967 Ford Mustang. This vehicle boasts timeless style and impressive performance, making it a sought-after choice for collectors and enthusiasts alike. With its long hood and short rear deck, the Mustang's sleek exterior is matched only by its powerful engine and agile handling. Whether cruising along a scenic route or hitting the track, the 1967 Ford Mustang delivers a driving experience that is both thrilling and unforgettable. So it's no wonder that this classic model continues to inspire and impress more than 5 decades after its initial release. The 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle, for its sleek curves and power. The 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle is regarded as one of the classics in American muscle car history. With its sleek curves and powerful engine, it certainly lives up to its reputation. From the distinctive chrome grille to its double-stripe racing stripes, the Chevelle was designed to make a statement. Under the hood, the Chevelle boasted several engine options, including a 454 cubic inch V8 that produced a whopping 450 horsepower. This powerful engine allowed the Chevelle to go from 0 to 60 in just 6.5 seconds, making it one of the fastest production cars of its time. For fans of classic American muscle cars, the 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle is a true icon. The 1972 Porsche 911, for its combination of luxury and performance. The 1972 Porsche 911 remains an iconic vehicle that combines luxury and top-of-the-line performance. With its high-quality engineering and timeless design, it's no surprise that it continues to capture the attention of automobile enthusiasts and collectors alike. This Porsche model boasts a sleek exterior and a comfortable interior, making it a car that is not only stylish but also practical for long drives. Its powerful engine and smooth handling make it a true joy to drive, making it a must-have for any collector who truly appreciates the art of luxury and performance. Overall, the 1972 Porsche 911 is a true classic that embodies the perfect blend of elegance and power. The 1975 BMW 2002 Turbo, for its iconic sporty look and fun drive. The 1975 BMW 2002 Turbo is a classic car that has earned a special place in the hearts of automotive enthusiasts. Its iconic sporty look and fun drive have made it a coveted model among collectors. This vehicle's turbocharged engine offers an impressive amount of power, allowing drivers to experience the thrill of speed and performance. Its sleek design is timeless, with sharp angles and bold lines that still look modern today. If you're looking for a car that is not only fun to drive but also a piece of automotive history, the 1975 BMW 2002 Turbo is an excellent choice. The 1978 Ferrari 308 GTS, for its striking design and legendary sound. The 1978 Ferrari 308 GTS is a car that will forever be remembered for its striking design and legendary sound. The sleek and sporty exterior, complete with a distinctive front grille and low-profile silhouette, still turns heads over 40 years later. But it's the engine that truly makes this car a standout. The 308 GTS was powered by a 3.0-liter V8 engine that could produce up to 240 horsepower and emit a thrilling roar as it accelerated. It was this combination of design and performance that cemented the 1978 Ferrari 308 GTS as an icon in the world of sports cars. Today, owning one is a testament to style and sophistication. In conclusion, the history of classic cars is filled with iconic vehicles that remain beloved by car enthusiasts and collectors alike. From the 1963 Volkswagen Beetle, known for its timeless design and affordability, to the 1978 Ferrari 308 GTS, acclaimed for its striking design and legendary sound, these remarkable automobiles captivated our hearts and shaped automotive history. Each vehicle offers something unique, whether it is a classic style or sleek curves, performance or luxury. Everyone can find something they love in each model from the 1960s to 1970s. Such timeless designs will continue to be appreciated for many years to come, as excitement for vintage cars remains at an all-time high.